Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys this makeup look, and before we jump into the makeup look, I want to quickly show you guys some products that I was sent and that I'm using in the video. First group of products that I got is going to be from the brand Clarins, and this is their Makeup Heroes bundle that they sent me. First one is going to be the Clarins Instant Smooth, and this is their primer right here, which works amazing. They also sent me another primer, and this is their SOS primer that I also use, and this is a color correcting primer which worked really good for my face and for my dark spots. I think there was a difference when I applied it. I don't think you can see my dark spots as much as they would have shown if I were to just use a primer. So this is the SOS primer. They also sent their Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil, which is right here, and I have the color Blackberry. It's like a very thick lip moisturizer that you put on. I put this on every night before I go to sleep, and this serum is really thick. It gives a nice tint for my lip color. Once you use this, your lips are like really soft and you don't have to keep applying the lip oil to your lips, so I really like that. I'll wake up in the middle of the night and I'll apply some chapstick or whatever. With this, I can go the whole night without having to reapply it because I absolutely hate when my lips are dry, so I really like this. They also sent their Instant Lip Natural Lip Perfector, which is right here, for smooth, perfectly shaped lip and supple natural color. So this is it right here. And lastly, they sent their mascara Super Volume, which I use today. I like it. It's not too thick. It doesn't cake on. I cannot stand mascaras that cake up and look clownish, so this one is very light and makes them look very nice and natural, so I use this. So they sent me that. Also, I was sent Urban Decay Perversion, and this is it right here. You guys know I love Urban Decay. Their stuff is bomb. All You Mean mascara. They also sent their waterproof mascara. They also sent their, and I'm using this one in the video, and I have this one on today, and this is their waterproof fine point eye pen, which is great for cat eyes. It is so hard to find a good eyeliner, like a good sharp eyeliner, and that's like, that'll stay all day, but this one is really good. You guys check out Urban Decay, their Perversion line, because it is so nice. All right guys, lastly, I was sent from Givenchy their new fragrance, and this one is called Rose. Now this is a Eau de Toilette perfume, and you guys know I love perfumes, but I don't know, something about Rose perfumes, they smell so light. They're really great for the summer, springtime. They're not too heavy. It lasts all day. It smells so divine, you guys. So this is it right here, and I get so many compliments from people asking me, what am I wearing, especially when I go to work. What am I wearing? It is the Givenchy Rose, and it smells divine, you guys. If you're looking for a nice, light, fresh floral scent, then definitely check them out. It is great. It is my #1 summer of this year perfume. I love it. And don't forget to give me a like, share my videos, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.